some of my subscribers are kind of, tired of the, regular videos that I do. So I thought I'd switch things up just a little bit, but not too much. It's still involving money. I know that you guys don't particularly like taking out loans, and I understand that from a, credit side because they can be very risky if you don't pay them off on time. But I think this is worth investing in a little bit. And it's called the MoneyLion Credit Plus Builder. So basically, if you take out a loan of $500 or $1,000, you pay that off over time, you build up your credit, and then also you get that money back. They reserve the money into like um, a credit reserve bank account, and basically it stays there until you pay off the entire loan, and then you get that money back, and it gets deposited into your regular bank account. So I just want to kind of go over with the money money lion credit plus credit builder plus information is about. So over 12 months, it's going to charge you 19.99 per month, in addition to actually, you making monthly payments as well too. So the Money Lion Credit Plus membership provides access to credit builder loans up to $500 to $1,000 that gives you the opportunity to make on-time payments, which may help increase your credit. So it may or it may not, but most likely it will increase your credit score. Anytime you take out a loan and you pay it off over time, it will increase your credit score. I'm here to tell you that has happened with me. I have went from a 400 to now a 561. So I know that does work. So what is a Money Lion Credit Builder loan? A Money Lion Credit Builder loan is designed to help members rebuild their credit history or establish credit for the first time. The maximum loan amount is 1,000, and you will receive some of the funds soon after you are approved for the loan. The remaining funds get stored in a credit reserve account. MoneyLion users must become a Credit Builder Plus member to obtain this loan. This membership cost is $19.99 per month, with opportunities to claim rewards that will allow you to recruit the monthly fee. Why should you apply for the MoneyLion Credit Builder loan? It can help increase your credit score, get financing without a hard credit check, and it's competitive APR on the loan, and it's a 0% APR cash advance. So how does the Credit Builder loan program work? The Credit Builder programs can help build credit over several months. These loans offer small amounts, typically between 500 to 1,000, to be paid off over time. Borrowers receive a portion of the loan amount after being approved for the loan. The other portion, which is often the larger amount, is deposited into a credit reserve accounts, which may earn interest. So you're going to be earning more than what you're actually paying for. The borrower gains access to the remaining proceeds sitting in the credit reserve account after the entire loan is paid off. So that money is put aside for you. So once you do pay off the full loan, it's going to transfer from that credit reserve account to your actual bank account, which I said earlier. Some lenders stash the entire principal in a short-term certificate deposit, but MoneyLion gives you a portion of the loan's amount. So instead of, it's going to give you $100 up front, and then the other $400 gets stored in the credit reserve, and then after you pay off the entire loan, it's going to take that money and transfer it from the credit reserve account to your actual bank account, whatever is default how you set it up on that. Some lenders, okay, so credit builder programs help you take steps to increase your credit score and help you qualify for credit cards, mortgages, and other opportunities. So you get to monitor your credit, track your progress, and all that good stuff. So head over to the Money Lion, download it on your Android or your iOS. Um, and I will attach a payment. I will attach my actual account that I joined and I did it with in a silent screenshot that you will be seeing after this.